Hi, good day. M6183. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, sir. Good day. My name is Rosemary Bushu. I'm 27 years old. I'm a Catholic. I live in Mabini, Bohol, Philippines. I am single. I have four brothers and I am the fifth in the family. I am a college graduate and I took up Bachelor of Elementary Education. I have work experience here in Philippines for 2 years. I serve four members of the family, two adults and two children. My main duty is to look after the 1-year-old girl. I also do household works like cooking, cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, and gardening. That's all, sir.
Okay. So, you take good care of the children, which is 1 years old until three, right?
Yes, sir.
3 years old because you have a 2 years experience there.
Yes, sir.
So, since you have an experience taking care of a 1 year old baby, for sure you know how to prepare a milk, right?
Yes, sir.
For a baby,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check first her head, sir, her temperature, and I will feed the baby and change her diaper, sir.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I will immediately call the parents of the baby, sir, to inform that the baby is not okay, and I will ask them what should I do.
Okay, what you should do. Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong, sir, because I want to help my family, and also I want to earn money to save for my future, sir. And Hong Kong is one of the most beautiful and safest place to work.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I will finish my contract, sir, and I will extend my contract if my employer will
Extended your contract.
yes, sir.
So it is okay to you to extended your
Yes,
contract.
sir. I'm willing to extend my contract.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook? And how will you learn to cook?
I will watch videos, sir, tutorial in YouTube and enroll TESDA.
Okay, you can enroll test or you can
Yes.
read some cookbooks, cooking books, right? And
Yes,
if you
sir.
got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
How about cutting your hair in the short?
Yeah, it's okay for me, sir.
It is okay to you to sharing room with kids.
Yes, sir.
If your employers have a prior commitment on Sunday or in a holiday, it is okay to you to work.
Yes, sir. It's okay for me.
How about taking care of pets?
Yeah, it's okay for me, sir.
Taking care of elderly, like uh, disabled elderly, help them go to bed, to the bathroom, and also go to hospital for checkups.
No, sir.
Why? You don't have any
I don't
experience.
have any experience, sir,
But you
taking
can
care of.
try, right?
Yes, sir. I can try.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my to my future employer in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I will promise I will do my best to follow your rules and regulation, and I am honest, trustworthy, hardworking person. That's all.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Rosemary. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.